Welcome to TMAC Virtual Service Channel. Thank you for taking the time to view our new work at home opportunity. Today's opportunity will not be like our normal, usual work at home opportunities. Today, this opportunity is um, unique because so many people are looking for new and unique sources of income. So, Glen Coco presents that for us here today. So, we're just going to go jump right into this opportunity so that you can see how you can have more money at the end of the month to pay those extra bills instead of more month at the end of the month. Glen Coco is a tech enabled sales marketplace, and it's basically like your Uber for salespeople. It's like you when you order an Uber or something to come pick you up, you jump in, you go to your destination. Or with Glen Coco, it's like you can jump into an opportunity, do your training on your own time, and if you like it, you stick with it. If you don't, go on to the next opportunity, which is awesome. It's pretty cool and very unique. Like I stated earlier, Glencoe is changing the face of the future and how salespeople interact with businesses. This actually is an awesome tool for business owners as well. When I was doing the research to find out exactly what Glen Coco offers, it offers so much for the business owners that can help them buy back their time, save money, and basically cut costs in so many areas with the tools that Glen Coco offers or their vendors, because basically you're working with other vendors and selling their services or product on the Glen Coco platform. So just to give you a quick glance of how this all works and how the platform looks, I actually opened up my own account so that I can get a feel of what is going on and how this thing operates. So, with all the information that I've gathered up, Glen Coco is a commission only freelance platform for people who have a background in sales or is interested in sales. This opportunity offers flexibility, and this unique platform offers a great way to make some decent money each month. So, what you want to do to get started is enter as a salesperson. And with Glen Coco, it says get on the phone, get paid, get hired. So, basically, this is a cold calling freelance position where you will be cold calling businesses to offer services or products. So, this isn't for the faint hearted. And we all know if you have a sales background, you know how sales can be. So, but I wouldn't let that discourage me. And since I've already set up an account, just to give you guys an idea of what to look for and, have a feel of this platform. Once you sign up and put in all of your required information, you will be led to this site. And it didn't look like this a couple of days ago. This is all new, but I see that they have added something to my page, I guess because I did a training and I actually optimized my profile. And I'll go into more about all that, but I just want to get into the meat and potatoes of what we're here for. I know you guys want to know about what is this opportunity about? How do you make money? And basically, these are some of the opportunities that are available. And as you can see that they have $400 for this one, and they've already paid out over $1,200 this week for this opportunity, which is Multiplier, and it is a leading global employment platform that manages employment, payroll, and compliance for international teams. And they tell you how many eligible leads are available for this company. Weekly active callers are 25, and the hold rate is 4 to 21. Um, I'll find out more about this as I learn more about this platform because I am new to this platform and I just wanted to share with you guys, but I wanted to have more detail about what to share and like so you would know, what to expect when you sign up for this, if this is what you choose to sign up for. And as you can see, they have several opportunities. This is how much these opportunities are paying. This is how much they've already paid out. And they have quite a few opportunities, it looks like, on here. And what I really love about this platform is that you can listen to the recordings. You can listen to all the different people that have booked meetings so that you can get a feel for how to contact these businesses, what to say, what keywords or hot notes that the seller hit while they were on the phone that really piqued the interest of the business owners or whoever they're speaking to of authority at that business. I had an opportunity to listen to maybe 5 or 6 calls today, and it was like, wow, I was taking notes because they were really saying things that piqued the interest and got those meetings set up. So, in those meetings that we mentioned earlier is what gets you paid. So once you set up these meetings and they qualify and they purchase the service or product, you are on your way to a payday. And this opportunity pays out weekly. They have payouts through PayPal. They even offer cryptocurrency as a form of payment, which is something different. They pay out Bitcoin and a few others. But this is basically your back office, and you will have different campaigns and everything that you can follow. This is the one that they emailed me. So I decided to do the training for it. The training was very simple and easy. It was some multiple choice question quizzes that I had to take at the end of each module. And the modules were super short. The whole entire course probably took me about an hour just to finish. It might not have even been a whole hour. Um, so basically, the training was very simple, and I have to start my certification. This was not eligible for me to select once I did the training. And they have the option for you to review your training, which I suggest you do because inside of the trainings, they have the scripts that you will need. They have those rebuttal responses when people try to um, what is the word I'm looking for? I'm not sure of the word I'm looking for right now, but it's like when they turn you down when you're trying to sell them something. They have some great rebuttal comebacks for those turn downs, and that's one of the weaknesses that I had in sales when I was really big in sales. I didn't have that great 1-2 punch comeback line when people were telling me, oh no, I'm not interested, or I already have this, or I already have that in place, and things of that nature. So I think this is a great platform, and I love how they have it set up for your success. They even have bonuses. They have perks. I was reading in the back office that they have free online exercise courses and things of that nature. It's just a lot of different little perks that I saw. You get discounts on different little brand items, and it's just something that you would have to look at because I can't remember everything off the top of my head right now. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. Um, and like I was saying before, the page where it had all of these different opportunities, it wasn't here before. And I think it was because I optimized my profile. And that's one of the requirements for you to do. Well, it's not a requirement, but it's something that can help you boost your business or your profile to get more leads, more business, more commissions on this platform. So basically, you have to do a greeting, a recorded greeting, and you have to put a greeting in the profile. You have to do a nice professional headshot. They give you some recommendations for AI. They do cost. You guys, I know that everybody doesn't have money to pay for every little thing that comes across you online, and I know that I am guilty of doing this myself. Every little thing that I see that I think could help me elevate in business, I'm definitely always paying for it. If it's $1 or, especially if it's a $7-day trial, I'm always, trying out the trials and canceling before the full price comes on. So, and I know you guys are like, oh man, I'm trying to find a job, trying to make money. I can't afford to keep paying for all this little stuff. So, since they are charging for the AI headshots, um, you guys can definitely, find workarounds. If you have your own professional headshot, you can upload it from your computer. You can definitely just take you a quick headshot with a clean background, or you can use Photo Room. Photo Room is an awesome app that will give you a nice background, nice professional background for your headshot. You can take one of your regular photos and upload it onto uh, the photo app and the photo room app, and basically clear your regular background and just make it look awesome, and then you'll have a professional headshot to upload onto here. And you'll have options to be able to see all these different opportunities, and you can go in and select the trainings and get started with making these cold calls so that you guys could, make a little extra money. Time to do the money then.